Hello everyone, and welcome to Forex Trading Made Easy. I'm George Smith. In this video, I want to show you how I started out the day with a loss, but then was able to recover and end up with a nice little profit. It was early Monday morning, and to me it looked like prices would start declining. I'm really not sure why I took this trade, but I started putting on limit orders, 4 pips apart, each with a 9 pip stop. I then combined my 2 stop orders just as my third trade was getting filled. I then combined all my stops at the 27.89 level, and wouldn't you know it, I was stopped out. It happened so fast I wasn't even able to record it. But here's how it turned out. These were my trades from last week, and up here I ended up losing 24 pips. Whenever I'm stopped out like this, it tells me I'm probably on the wrong side. That's why a little later I started putting on buy orders, 5 pips apart. Since prices were close to the bottom of my channel, I figured if they didn't go down, they probably would go up into the channel. So I was able to catch 2 positions, and here was the third. Here's what it looked like on the 15-minute chart. And here's what it looked like on the 1-day chart. Now I had to figure out where I was going to get out of the trade. I could hold on hoping it would go to the top of the channel, or I could get out for a nice little profit of 5%. But first I had to tighten up my stops. So I placed them right at the bottom of my lowest position. I'd lose 15 pips if I was stopped out. Because I had to make up for the earlier loss, I decided to get out after making about 5%. I did a rough calculation, which turned out to be 28.15. But notice how I brought up my stop loss to lock in some profit just in case. But I got lucky and wasn't stopped out. Here's how everything turned out for the day. I ended up earning 90 pips on the trade, and after subtracting the earlier loss, a little better than 5%. Although this is a live account with real money, here's what I would have ended up with if I was using $2,500. My broker uses units to trade with. 10,000 units equals $1 US per pip. If my working capital equaled $2,500, I can trade about 100,000 units at 50-to-1 margin. When I trade this way, I divide my 100,000 units by 4 and use 25,000 units equal to $250 per pip for each of my 3 positions. I earned 66 pips. 66 times 250 equals $165. 165 divided by 2,500 equals 6.6%. That's all for now. I'm George Smith. Thanks for watching.